Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue air filter. First, gather your tools, a new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black box near the engine. This simple task can improve your engine's performance and fuel efficiency, saving you money in the long run. Let's get started. Now let's access the old filter. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 4 screws securing the air filter housing cover. These screws are usually captive, meaning they won't come completely out. Once all 4 screws are loose, gently lift the top cover of the air filter box. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you install the new one correctly. It's a straightforward process. With the cover open, carefully lift out the old, dirty air filter. You might notice accumulated leaves or debris inside the housing. Take a moment to wipe that clean. Now, take your new air filter and ensure it's oriented exactly like the old one. Gently place the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. This step is crucial for proper air filtration and engine protection. Finally, let's secure everything. Carefully place the top cover back onto the air filter housing, ensuring it aligns properly. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws until they are snug. Do not over-tighten them. Once the cover is secure, close your vehicle's hood. Remember to properly dispose of the old air filter. You've successfully changed your Nissan Rogue's air filter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.